and thank you so much for joining. So this will be the follow-up video of the video I did last week, which was a boho inspired pillow. And this time I'm going to be creating a colorful pillow. By the way, the link for the first video is going to be at the bottom, and also please subscribe, like, and share this video and my channel if you enjoy my videos. Same as the last video, everything or most of everything that I'm going to be using here in terms of material are items that I found given away by a sewing school that just went out of business, which is of course an awful thing, but I'm glad that I am able to repurpose certain things. The yellow jacket over here that I'm cutting, it's one of those construction jackets that I had for a while, and I got it from a friend. He wore it a couple of times, so definitely it's pretty new. And I also washed all of the elements too to prep my pillow items. So here I'm just showing how I am putting it all together, how I am thinking what will go with what. I had these kind of triangle ideas, and then I had a bunch of ribbon. I also realized that I don't have enough of the same color ribbon to create a perfectly symmetrical type of design, which honestly is kind of great for boho inspired anything because it's more of a random type of style. Over here I am doing a really cool folding technique. I figured it just by myself, and I noticed that if you fold it and do just one little kind of stitch over there at the end, it looks very fancy. It's very easy to do. So here's the final result. In the middle I'm using a nice lace in white, which I think also adds to the texture. Now I really wanted to use the pom-poms all throughout the pillow, and I had this kind of garland of pom-poms that I got from Arizona when I was on vacation, and it was fun, but now I wanted to repurpose it because I got tired of it, and the pom-poms were awesome addition to this pillow. I also had this kind of light orangey thread that I thought would be very nice as well, especially next to these kind of bright neon-y tassels. Over here I have sewed everything together. The back I just used one solid piece of nice fabric, also from the sewing school. All of the excess I'm gonna trim over here. The stitch that I used to stitch the front and back sides was very kind of simple back and forth. Nothing really too complicated, just as long as it's, you know, sticks together. And here I am reversing. I love the little pom-poms that I have on the sides. I think they add again something kind of cute and extra to this pillow. And of course I have this little entrance where I will now import the pillow that I will need to stitch back up. The pillow that I'm using is a very simple IKEA pillow. I think it was something like $4, maybe even less. So here's the back. I think it's so adorable. I love how it looks. I love the brightness, and the fact that it's, you know, very neon makes me very happy. It also looks great with the neutral pillow that I did last week. Kind of cool juxtaposition of the two kind of colors and two styles, yet they are still boho. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.